Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's special tutorial, I'll show you how to download the Filmrise application on Fire TV. Now, all you need to do is get your Fire TV loaded, navigate down to the search bar, and you'll be typing in Filmrise. So, this one was searching for Film, and you find Filmrise pop up on the suggestions below. Click on it, and you have this application right here. If you click on the application to launch, the download button loads, and when you click on the download button, your download begins automatically. So just be patient, wait for the download to complete. When the download is done, your installation process will start swiftly without any need for assistance. Just sit down, relax, and your installation will go down smoothly. Now, after installation, this app will be available straight in your app library. You also access the app from there. Alternatively, immediately after the download and installation, you would open the app up using the open app button, which will be where the download button was. So as you can see, my app is almost done installing. Just being a bit patient, and there you have it. You have the open app button. So clicking on the open app button will get you straight into the application, and you can enjoy. So if you found value in this, if you are enjoying the presentation, if you enjoyed the app, let me know how your comments look like. Comment down on how you experienced the download process on this app. Comment down the things you like about the app, and subscribe to this channel so that we see you next time and give you more value like this in the next video.